storms surround. In you alone my hope is found. Thank you for favor over me, for every door I could not see. Most High God, forever I sing. You are my Savior, Lord and King.